Imagine a world where nature isn't just preserved, but truly valued. Where the original keepers of the land ensure the water, the wildlife, the soil, and even the air are measured, protected, and valued as real-world investable tokenized assets. Nature's ledger is the gateway to ownership of tokenized, nature-based, real-world assets for everyone. Where sustainability and profit can coexist. The future isn't coming. The future is here. The future is nature's ledger.